Welcome to Portugal. So today we're staying in ALGARVE, and we took an Uber to Lagos to explore some of the beaches out here, and apparently seaweed.
These different beaches, they have these little cutouts to go to the next beach next to it. Today we are in Lagos, Portugal. We're gonna check out some of the cool beaches and maybe go check out some of the local shops. Look at the fish. Right here. Look at the little fish right here. Ooh. Right here.
I'm trying to go down and look at. Oh yeah, those are. Oh, they're green.
Yeah. Super cool. The water is a little cold, but some cool little caves, and then obviously we have the bridge. In case you wanted to come to these cool beaches in Lagos, and pretty cool. They don't disappoint. It's a cool old bridge that's up there. I mean, all these cool little inlets, little caves. Go through that cave right there to come get here. Little private beach, unless you unless you take one of these boats like that. Let's go through here, see what this is all about. Oh, ouch. A couple of rocks. Oh. Well, through one of the little caves right here. and it just opens up. Ooh, it's nice and warm right here. These like little fish.
Huh?
All these little fish.
Rock, right?
Yeah. So there's a bunch of rocks on that in that little one too where you're going there.
What did you guys order? Cool. Great story, guys. Good.
So I just got a grilled chicken sandwich. I think with some sort of goat cheese or something, fries.
What'd you get, Boo?
I got a grilled cheeseburger with
Garlic.
garlic.
Oh, we ordered the goat cheese appetizer.
We did. We ordered a Jack and Coke, which came like this, and then a mojito.
Got this beautiful mojito. I also am going to get a grilled chicken sandwich. Did we even tell you that we're in Portugal? We did zero filming yesterday. You guys didn't get to see our flight. You didn't get to see us going to the airport.
Nothing.
We parked at anyways, Park House Hirsch, something Hirsch. It was like 54 euros for the entire time we're gone, which is 6 days or 5 days. Not bad at all. And then probably the smartest thing that we did was book a park and ride from the Faro airport to
It's like our own personal ride.
123 euros to come to Alvor and back. Not bad.
No.
This is a much better angle, by the way. So we ventured that way and decided that we didn't really want to go to any of those beaches, so we're gonna walk back into Lagos and do some shopping. We already ate lunch, and then we'll head back to Alvor and we'll go to our beach that's like right by our apartment.
That is the food. There's another one right here, I think.
This is the old Legos fort right here, and then over here is used to be the city wall, 500-year-old wall or whatever it's called.
This is the 5th time that Chris has had to use the toilet since we left the apartment.
My favorite one.
That's a cool one, huh?
Yeah.
I like it.
Like I could like hang out like a dream catcher almost, but like something you put on your wall, and I put your seashells on it and like string and then other stuff.
That'd be pretty.
Yep.
Didn't realize how much cork is a real big thing here in Portugal, so we're gonna go to a cork store. My wife loves a cork. You can get everything cork. Cool. First day in Portugal, and we are shopping. Yeah, it's just open. It's just open. Little sketch. Oh my gosh.
No.
Alright, so we decided to come back to Algarve and just hang out by the beach. It's really windy today. It's nice and warm. It's like 76, something like that, but we're all out by the beach. Down that way. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out. I don't know if you can even hear me because this wind is so crazy, but just gonna hang out here, come back, go get something to eat tonight, go to the supermarket, and call it a day. But welcome to Algarve, Portugal. So much fun, like when we go back and it'll be like, oh well, when did you go? Well, we went to Portugal or something, like something cool. There's a blooper reel.
Jesus. Hat hair.
Cat hair.
Hat.
Oh, hat hair. I thought she said cat.
No.
We're going to be.
You guys are both being super